Hello बच्चों, good morning. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Should wizard hit mommy? This lesson is written by John Updike. This lesson is a very good story uh, and how the situation of a father is here before his daughter. We will see in the story. We will also see that how children behave and how the perception of grown-up people and adult people is different from perception of children. In the evening and for Saturday naps, like today, Jack told his daughter Jo a story. So, the name of father is Jack. Jack actually tells a story to his daughter Jo. So, name of daughter is Jo. Out of his head. Out of his head means Jack tells the story as he tells the story from his head. From his head means he himself created the story. Jack himself has created the story, then told to his daughter Jo. This custom he began when she was 2. ये कहानी सुनाने का ट्रेंड उसने तब शुरू किया था जब जो की उम्र 2 ईयर थी. वाज इट सेल्फ नाउ नियरली 2 years old. तो अभी ये जो 2 साल की हो गई है. एंड इच हेड फेल्ट एम्पटी. ईच न्यू स्टोरी वाज स्लाइट वेरिएशन ऑफ ए बेसिक टेल. सो वट एवर story daily Jack used to tell a new story, and every story was the same story. Daily Jack used to tell the same story with slight changes. With slight changes in the story. It means, suppose one day he tells the story of a rabbit, the next day he tells the story of a frog, next day he will tell the story of a fish. So in his story he used to tell the stories of animals, but story line was same. What was the story? A small creature usually named Roger. Yes. So he used to tell the story of Roger. It means in the story of Jack, always you will find the name of character Roger. Sometime Roger fish. So, then in another story Roger squirrel. Suppose Jack is telling the story of a fish, so he will name the character as there was a fish and the name of fish was Roger daily. And suppose in a story he is going to tell the story of a squirrel, so he will tell like this: there was a squirrel and his name was Roger Chipmunk. Had some problem, went with it to the wise old owl. So in his story Roger used to get a problem, and in order to solve his problem he used to go to owl, because owl was very old and very wise. So Roger used to go to owl. Then owl told him to go to the wizard. In every story the wise owl used to give solution. And what was the solution? Solution was go to the wizard, and wizard performed magic. So Owl used to send him to Wizard. Then Wizard, by his magic, by his spell, used to solve the problem. But after solving the problem, Wizard means magician. Wizard used to demand his payment, means his fees. A number of pennies means rupees, greater than the number that Roger Creature had. But in every story you will find that suppose Roger Creature has 10 rupees, so Wizard will demand 20. Means greater than the number that Roger Creature had. But in the same breath directing the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. But because in every story Roger had not the same amount of money as was demanded by Wizard. So when Roger says that he had not the same amount of money, what he should do? At that time Wizard used to tell him one solution. And what was that solution? Solution was, go into the forest. In the forest there will be a pond, and in the pond you will get the remaining penny. Means in every story Wizard used to tell the solution how he can get the remaining penny, remaining amount of money. So Roger used to go there and Roger used to get that amount of money. Then Roger used to return, and then Roger used to pay total payment to Wizard. And after that but in the same breath directing the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. Then Roger was so happy and played many games with other creatures. After that, because now the problem of Roger was solved, then Roger used to play with his friends and went home to his mother just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy home from Boston. So then after playing, Roger used to go home, because at that time train used to whistle and it was time, means when Roger used to return home, at that time was the time of daddy's, because this was evening time, and he used to hear the whistle of train. That was a signal that daddy was about to return, about to come home. Mother was also waiting, so Roger was also waiting. So in this way Roger used to enter in his house before daddy's arrival from office. Daddy's office was in Boston. This was the story, this type of story daily Jack used to tell to Joe. Joe was his daughter. Describe their supper. Jack described their supper and the story was over. So when daddy, in the story, when daddy returns, so Roger and his mother and his daddy all used to have their supper. Supper means a kind of dinner, and the story was over. After that, story over. Working his way through this scheme, was especially fatiguing on Saturday because Joe never fell asleep in naps anymore, and knowing this made the ride seem futile. But actually on Saturday, Joe on working days actually Joe used to sleep early, but on Saturday Joe wanted to hear more and more and more. That's why on Saturday it was very difficult for Jack to assure her to sleep. The little girl, not so little anymore, the bumps her feet made under the covers were halfway down the bed, and the big double bed that they let her be in for naps when she was sick. So this girl here, writer is saying not so little, it was not very little girl. This girl had at last arranged herself, and from the way her face deep in the pillow shone in the sunlight, shifting through the drawn shades, it did not seem fantastic that some magic would occur, and she would take her nap like an infant of 2. So daily she used to, so she means Joe. So daily she used to listen one story, and if the story was not good, then she used to cry. She used to try to explore. She actually wanted to listen one more story before sleeping. That's why she used to awake. Her brother Bobby was 2 and already asleep with his bottle. Her Bobby was just 2 years old, and Bobby daily used to sleep on time with his bottle. Jack asked, "Who shall the story be about today?" So today was Saturday, and now this was the story time. Joe was ready to listen the story, and Jack was ready to tell her the story. So Jack asked, in today's story, who should be in a character? Roger. Joe squeezed her eyes shut and smiled to be thinking she was thinking. Joe just closed her eyes and smiled, and she feigned, she pretended that she thinking, although she was not thinking, but she pretended that she was thinking, and then she told the name Roger. We all are knowing that Roger was the character daily in daily story. Roger was the character, but here Joe is actually pretending that that she is thinking about the name of the character, although this was known that because daily the character name remains same. Roger has eyes opened. Mother's blue skunk, she said firmly. She said, "Today I want to listen the story of skunk, a new animal. They must talk about skunks at nursery school." Having a fresh hero momentarily stirred Jack to creative enthusiasm. "All right," he said. "Once upon a time in the deep dark woods, there was a tiny little creature by the name of Roger Skunk, and he smelled very bad." In this way, actually, Jack started his story. The story was very interesting. Okay, bachcho, thank you.